Heartily welcome to That Coding Bro. Now let's begin our video. Write a program to read the radius of a circle and find the area and perimeter. First of all, going to solve the problem, we need to know some features of circle, right? This is a circle which is in the shape of like this. This is a circle, and now coming to this, in the circle, from center point of view, it is known as radius. Okay, it is known as radius. From in circle, from anywhere it is equal. From center at any point, outer boundary, it is equal. This is known as radius, and it is the property of circle. Keep in mind, it is radius. And in the program, they will give the input radius. The radius of the circle is given as input. By knowing some formulas, we need to calculate area and perimeter. Okay, now let's go to problem solving. As it is the question we know already, we will be given input as, we will get radius as input, and we need to print output. What are the output? Perimeter and area. What is meant by area? See, if it is a circle of radius r, the area and means covered by it. For example, take a coin, keep over land. The space occupied by the coin is known as area. Okay, in mathematics, there is a formula. The formula is pi r square. Here, pi means already fixed 3.14, and radius is nothing but whatever the input program given to us, we will know the radius. For example, if the radius input r is equals to 10, okay, now what is the area? 3.14 into 10 into 10, nothing but 314. It's very simple. We need to calculate by the formula using pi r square. Now coming to perimeter. Okay, now I want to cover the circle, means I will take a thread and I will cover the circle, entire circle. It is known as perimeter. Now coming to circle formulas, there is a formula like 2 pi r. Okay, 2 pi r. Now if example the radius is 10, now the perimeter is 2 into 3.14 into 10. Okay, 7.28 into 10. It's nothing but 72.8. It is a perimeter. It's very simple. What we have did, once examine, first we took the radius as input and we did the calculation 3.14 into 10 into 10 for area. After that, for perimeter, 2 into 3.14 into 10. Here see, every time 3.14 2 and here 3.14, it's common, so we will store it in another variable. Okay, now let's go to algorithm. First we need to start the program. We started the program. We declared three variables because here in our case 3.14 is a constant, but our computer doesn't know what is meant by 3.14. We need to store it somewhere, right? So we took pi variable. See, pi 3.1459. It's more precision value, but we can tell it's 3.14. It's your wish, whatever the thing will, your wish. Now we need to take the input radius, right? Ask the user to enter the radius of the circle. Then the user will give the radius as 10, for example. Now let us consider our case. Then read the input value from the user into the radius variable. So the 10 will be stored into the variable of radius. Okay, now up to here completed. Now calculate area. Area is equals to pi into radius. What is area? Area is equals to 3.14 into 10 into 10. It's nothing but 314 area. Okay, as previous we got, it's the area. And perimeter is nothing but 2 pi r. 2 into 3.14 into 10, because we given 10 as input, right? So 7.28, 6.28, right, into 10, 62.8. Okay, fine. Now we need to display the area value and perimeter value, and after that, end of the program. That's it. We completed the question. Now let's going to the C program. Consider if you know the algorithm, you can write every program. Means in Java, Python, C, any language it is fine. We need to know the algorithm. Now I will tell you the program. Once you read the algorithm and come to the program. Now coming to this, in C, we need to declare some header files. So hash include stu.h. Now starting off the program. Here I kept int main, so I returned as return 0. If you keep here void main, then you don't need to keep this return 0. Okay, it's one way. Now I declared variables as radius, area, perimeter, and the variables are not like 10, 11, 12, right? The area may be 12.68, something like, not only decimal value, rational value possible. So I declared using float. Pi value is 3.14159. Now we are asking the user, as per the algorithm, we are asking the user enter the radius of the circle. He entered something value and we stored in the variable radius. Now area is equals to pi 3.14 into radius. Again perimeter is 2 pi or 2 into pi value into radius. Now we need to print the area of the circle is the value stored in the area. The value will come here. Now coming to the perimeter of the circle is percentage of perimeter. Because we are using float variables, so we are using here percentage of. If we are using decimals, then we will do percentage d. Okay, no issues. Percentage of perimeter value prints. That's it. The end of the program. See, observe the algorithm, go back once and you see every line as per the algorithm I converted. First I declared variables, I asked user entered the value, I calculated area, I calculated perimeter, and I printed area value, perimeter value. I did as per the algorithm. Thank you.